Hello students, so today's C programming practicals we will be learning the concept of branching in C programming. So why branching is used in C programming? When you want certain output that is dependent on certain condition, then on the basis of that, if we want certain kind of result, we use C programming branching. So branching basically consists of if-else statements, switch case statements. So our today's focus would be particularly on the if-else if ladder, in which we will be creating a grading system in which the grade of the student will be divided according to the condition of the percentage he or she is getting. So we will be creating a C program that helps us to define the grading system using the else if ladder. So for that particular C program, we will be using our Turbo C compiler. So let's start with the same. So first of all, we'll go in the file menu and create a new file. Now, what we need to mention is what type of grading system we particularly need. What are the requirements? What are the conditions on the basis of which the grades will be defined? So if a student gets 80% and above, 80% and above, he will be getting A grade. If a student gains 65% and above, he or she will be getting B grade. If a student gets 55% and above, he or she will be gaining C grade. If a student gets 35% and above, he or she will be getting D grade. And all the students getting less than 35 will be considered as fail. Okay, so this is what we need to make in our system, that if a student gets more than 80%, 80 or more than 80%, he or she should get A grade. If a student gets more than 65 or 65, he or she should get B grade. If a student gets more than 55, he or she should get C grade. Or if he or she gets more than 35, D grade. Less than 35, everyone would be fail. So let's start with the program. We'll be including our header files. The first, standard input output.h, that is stdio.h. Then we will be adding console input output.h, that is conio.h. After that, we will be starting with void main. In main function, we will be defining float variables, that is percentage. We'll be writing PER for percentage. Okay, because the percentage of a student can be having a definite decimal value. So we'll be taking float percentage. Now we will be clearing the screen first. As we are using Turbo C compiler, we need to write CLR SCR, that is clear screen, so that we can get our output in a clear screen. No previous output is there. Okay. Now we will be taking a value of percentage from the user. We will be taking value of percentage from the user. As it is float, the format specifier would be percentage f, comma, m% PER. So it will store the value in our percentage variable. Now after we get the value, we will be performing our else if ladder. That means we'll be checking the conditions for our percentage, that in which grade it is falling. But before we get into the criteria that we have mentioned for A, B, C, D grade and fail, we need to specify something, and that is that percentage always lies between 0 to 100. So we need to mention that percentage should not be less than 0. That means if the percentage is less than 0 and we want our both the conditions to be true, that percentage less than 0 and percentage greater than 100, both of them should be considered as the invalid entry. Percentage can never be less than 0 or greater than 100. So we need to mention the condition that if the percentage is less than 0 and greater than 100, it is invalid output. So we entered that it will get an invalid output if the entry is incorrect. Okay. Now here if I write AND, what does AND operator basically do? What does AND operator basically do? Let's first of all save the program. We'll save the program as grading system grade.c. Okay. So now let's run the program and see what does exactly AND operator does. We entered the percentage, supposedly -2, and we didn't get any output. The first reason for the same is, for not getting any output is, we should always mention get ch to get the output on the console screen. If you do not mention the get ch, the program will run, the output will come, but we as a viewer cannot view the output. So we need to mention get ch. Now, when we run the program and we enter negative, we do not get any output. The reason is that when you talk about AND operator, this is logical AND operator. The AND operator wants that both the conditions, that means percentage less than 0 and percentage greater than 100, both of them should be true, then and then it will enter into this particular block. So if AND operator comes, we need to have both our conditions true. So no number is such that it is less than 0 and greater than 100 both. So this is how basically AND operator works. So even if we want to find that the number is less than 0 or greater than 100, we need to place here OR operator. Okay. We need to place here OR operator. Now we will be continuing with our else if ladder. That else means the number is between 0 to 100. If the number is, the percentage is greater than or equal to 80. Now we can put here, okay, if the number is greater than or equal to 80 and the number is, here AND operator comes, less than or equal to 100. Why here we need AND operator? Because the AND operator justifies that the number is in between 80 and 100. Okay. Printf A grade. We will be getting A grade for this. Now we will be moving to our next condition. Else if the percentage is greater than or equal to 65 and the percentage is less than 80. Why we need to mention this? Because if we do not mention this, then any number that is having, supposedly we take 82, then 82 will also come in A grade, it will also come in B grade. So we need to specify that our B grade is specifically from 65 to 80. So printf We have it here, B grade. Okay. Now we'll be moving further with our else if ladder. Else if percentage is greater than or equal to 55 and same as above, just the values would be changing. 35. Okay. So what we have mentioned over here, if it is greater than 55, okay, so it will be C grade. Here it will be 65. Means the value of the percentage should be in between 55 and 65. Okay, then we will be having it as C grade. And F, E grade. Okay. Now we will be checking for the D grade, and that is if the percentage is greater than or equal to 35 and percentage is less than 55. Okay, then we will be having it as printf. It is a D grade. This will be a D grade. Okay. Now we have checked for all the numbers above 35. So what we are doing, last thing, why we are not mentioning is because numbers above 35 and numbers less than 0 all are being checked and corrected. So what we will be doing, we'll be just writing that whichever number is now less than 35 that and greater than 0, they all will be by default in the fail case. So here our whole coding ends. So now we will try to compile to check if there are any errors. Okay, there are no errors. So now we will be running the program. We will be entering the percentage. Supposingly, I write 67.5. So it should be in a B grade. So it is giving me the output B grade. Now let's run it again to check if we write -2. -2 cannot be the percentage, so we are getting an invalid output. So this is how the whole grading system basically works using the else if ladder that helps the user to check the value for each and every condition, and wherever the value has been satisfied, the particular block of code has been executed. Thank you.